Now let us see some of the combination of resistances, sometimes connected in parallel, sometimes connected in what? Series. That is, the question is that find equivalent resistance in the following. So there are about 4 and 5 questions are there. Let us do it. Now what we do in the first case, as you know very well, this is what the one resistance of 2 ohm is connected and other 3 resistances are connected in what? Parallel. Clear? So all these resistances are connected in parallel. So these 3 resistances are connected in parallel and one resistance is connected in what? Series with this. 3 resistances are parallel and one is what? Series. So what should be the equivalent? Now their equivalent must be what? A parallel. One has to be calculated the parallel. And after getting this parallel becomes in series with 2 ohm. So then only we are getting the equivalent resistance in that case. So how should we do this? The first case. In the first case, that is what the case 1. So what should we do? The first one here, I am just going to do this. So first of all, we calculate the parallel. All these resistance are what? Equal. But let it be 1 by Rp is equals to what? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So then 1 by Rp is equals to, what is the first resistance? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So then what is the combination? 3 by 2. Yes or no? So what is the combination? That 1 by Rp is equals to, that is what? 3 by 2, which becomes that Rp is equals to what? 2 by 3. Now this Rp becomes in series with 2 ohm. So this is one 2 ohm resistance. Then this one is what? Rp. This is 2 ohm and this one is what? 2 by 3 ohm. Clear? So what is that? Now they are in what? Series. So therefore, series, that is the equivalent resistance. So then 2 plus 3 by 2 or 2 by 3? Sorry, 2 by 3. So this is what? 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? 6 plus 2? 8. 8 by 3 ohm is the equivalent resistance of this circuit. So what is the answer finally? Equivalent resistance, R equivalent is equals to 8 by 3 ohm. So, okay. Now the second one. How to do the second case? The second one is also very simple. So we wanted to calculate the equivalent resistance across these two terminal AB. So this is what the across this AB. So don't get, because whenever we wanted to find out equivalent resistance, there must be some across. So across this we wanted to calculate across this AB. Now how these resistances are connected? First of all, we need to think about it, that what are the resistances which are connected in parallel and what are the resistance which are connected in series. वो तो देखना ही पड़ेगा. So then 3 ohm and 3 ohm, how they are connected? Might they look like as parallel, but they are not parallel, है ना? So like that. If suppose this is how these two resistors are connected, but when I do this, two resistors like that, how they are now? They are in parallel. Clear? So this 3 ohm and 3 ohm is what now? They are in what? Parallel. Clear? Sorry, in series. So then there must be calculated what? RS. So then RS is equals to what? 3 plus 3? How much? 6 ohm. So this is what RS. Now this RS becomes equal to what? This is what? Your 3 ohm resistance. Now we have calculated the series. Now this resistance becomes in what? Parallel with that. So this is the way actually we used to be solve the circuits, equivalent resistance when they are connected in circuits. And different. There are many type of equivalent resistances are there. But these are sometimes I used to be tell. So then this is what the concept. So then this is what? 6 ohm. Now they are parallel. How do we can calculate? 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 6 plus what? 1 by 3. Multiply 2. Then what will be the answer? That 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 6. That is 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So what is the answer? 3 by 6. 3 2s are 6, which becomes Rp is equals to what? 2 ohm. Rp is equals to 2 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance here. That R equivalent is equals to 2 ohm. समझ में आ रहा? फर्क दिख रहा होगा आपको कि डायग्राम में हर एक डायग्राम का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, जो कि रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्ट करने का जो तरीका होता है, हर डायग्राम में अलग है, लेकिन हमें उसके हिसाब से हमारा जो इक्वेशन है वो बनाना पड़ेगा. नाउ द थर्ड वन. Clear? Actually here there must be one more resistance has to be connected, and this type of circuit is called as the Wheatstone's type of circuit. जब कभी भी अगर इस तरह का सर्किट डायग्राम होगा, मानकर चलो ये भी कितना है 2 ओम होगा, तो सीधा इस तरह के रेजिस्टेंस को आपको क्या करना है? मिटाना है, हटाना है, क्योंकि at these 2 point the potential is what? Same. Yeah. So but you need to be understand. Okay? इसको रिमूव करना है, जो डायग्राम ऐसे बनाना है. अब क्या बनेगा? ये दो कैसे कनेक्ट है? पैरेलल में, सीरीज में. ये दो कैसे कनेक्ट? How they are connected? They are connected in series. They are also connected in what? Series. So this is RS dash and this is what? RS double dash. Let us do this. So when they are connected in series, the third one, that is RS dash is equals to what? 2 plus 2 equal to what? 4 ohm. Similarly, RS double dash 2 plus 2 4 ohm, because the resistance is same. So then how they are connected now? They will become like that. This is how the diagram. So this is 2 ohm, this one is also what? 2 ohm. Now how they are connected? Parallel. So क्या होगा? 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So sorry, 1 by 4. This is what the 4. So how much? 2 by 4. 2 2s are 4. So what is the answer now finally? Rp is equals to what? 2 ohm. What is the equivalent there? Their equivalent is what? R equivalent is equals to what, beta? 2 ohm again. Clear? What is the answer of third one? All they are connected in what? Series. So what is the answer now? 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is what? RS is equals to 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much? 9 ohm. That's it. So equivalent resistance is what? R equivalent is what? 9 ohm. Clear? Similarly in that case, somehow this diagram is little bit different. How they are connected in parallel? How they are connected in series? You must calculate first Rp, then calculate what? RS. Clear? So this is the fifth one. First I will calculate Rp. 1 upon Rp is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which becomes what? 2 by 2. Hence Rp is equals to what? 1 ohm. This is the resultant of that. Now what is the series? That RS is equals to 2 plus 2 equal to what? 4 ohm. Now how they are connected? This is one and this is one. So like that, the diagram will be like that. This is the one resistance which called as the 1 ohm, and the second resistance, the value which we have, that is 4 ohm. So they are connected what now? Parallel or series? In parallel. So again calculate 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4. Now make it, the answer will be what? Near about 1 by Rp is equals to multiplied by 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4. 5 by 4. What is the answer now? Rp is equals to what? 4 by 5 ohm. This is what the equivalent. So what is the equivalent? R equivalent is equals to 4 upon 5 ohm. Clear? This is very simple.